Bag the win. Understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning of a very interesting English phrase, bag the win. This phrase is commonly used in sports and competitive contexts, but it's also found in everyday language. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Bag the win is an idiomatic expression used to describe securing a victory or achieving success in a competition or challenge. The word bag here is used in the sense of capturing or securing something, like catching a valuable item in a bag. So, when someone says they bag the win, they mean they have successfully secured the victory. While the exact origins of the phrase are unclear, it's likely rooted in hunting or gathering contexts, where to bag something meant to capture it successfully. Over time, this concept of capturing success translated into the competitive and sporting arenas. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts. Sports and games, the team bagged the win in the last few seconds. Business and work, after months of hard work, we finally bagged the win with this project. Personal achievements, I bagged the win at the baking competition. When using bag the win, remember, it's typically used for significant successes or clear victories. Avoid using it in contexts of minor achievements or situations where there's no competition or challenge involved. Here are some similar phrases you might hear. Seal the deal, often used in business, meaning to finalize an agreement. Clinch the victory, common in sports, meaning to secure a win, especially at a crucial moment. Nail it, a casual phrase meaning to do something successfully or perfectly. I hope this video helped you understand the phrase, bag the win, and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Remember, language is all about expressing ideas clearly and effectively, and idioms like this one add color and vibrancy to our speech. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in our next video.